Today we're going to discuss more about pointers. So we're going to talk about pointers and array. So let's get started. Let me maximize this editor, and I have this file created earlier, ex45 underscore pointers in array.c. And as you may have noticed, I have this 3 lines added earlier. So I have an array of 5 elements. I have initialized it these values 22, 33, 44, 55, and 66. Then I have the pointer initialized to null and the variable I. So pointers are especially useful with arrays. An array declaration reserves a block of contiguous memory addresses for its elements. With pointers, we can point to the first element and then use address arithmetic to traverse the array. So when we use this sign or the plus sign, it is used to move forward to a memory address, while the minus sign is used to move backward to a memory location. So to better understand this, let me just give you an example, and I'm going to put the pointer in here, and then let's initialize it. Let's put the value of our array to the pointer, and then let's use the for loop to display this to the screen. So all of the values that we have will be displayed on the screen. So I is equal to 0, I is less than 5, since we have 5 size, then the increment operator, and then let's call the function to display this to the screen using the printf function, and make sure to type this correctly. And then let's add the separator, and then this is very tricky. So pointer, the name of our pointer, plus I. So if you notice, it has a different setup this time. If you're watching my previous video, which is this one on the ex44 pointers, let's just quickly open this one, and as you can see, the pointers, so we have this braces, this parentheses, I'm sorry. So we have this parentheses, and then inside the parentheses we have the pointer. So we have the star as a symbol or a sign that this is a pointer, and then we use the increment operator outside. So this is going to increment the value of the pointer, so from 12 to 13, while on this line, on our new lesson, we put the asterisk sign or the star sign outside the parenthesis. So this is an indicator that we're going to move from one location to another. And let's just go ahead and run this. So right click, compile and run, and you should see the values of our array. So from index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, since index starts at 0. So that's how you use it. So the program outputs whatever value we have here, which is this one, this line, 22, 30, 44. An important concept with arrays is that an array name acts as a pointer to the first element of the array. So therefore, ptr is equal to a, as you may have noticed here. ptr is equal to a can be thought of, another term would be something like this: ptr is equal to address of, just like that. So it starts from this index 0. So this is similar to this one, which is pointing to the first element or the first index. So you might also consider this following example that I'm going to provide here. So let's say printf, and then %v. Let's just put the semicolon, the line break, I'm sorry, and then pointer to a. So again, this will going to point index 0, which is 22, value 22. This is the same as this one, so it's going to point to the same element. So let's try running this, and as you can see, it points this to the first element, index 0, which is 22. So you can use this to access the first element. You can also use this to access the first element. So it's really up to you. I'm just showing you the methods and how we can access the pointers on the array. So that's it for this video, and before we wrap up, let's test your knowledge. I have here a little exercise for you on this tab. So what is the output of this code? If you know the answer, please feel free to put it in the comment section below. Thank you.